This documentary aims to highlight the impact of the June 2009 disaster on the women of Rudraprayag district in Garhwal Himalayas. During this disaster, the women suffered a lot because the economy of the areas of Rudraprayag district, particularly of the upper Kedar valley, depends on the pilgrimage. And the man population goes to Kedarnath shrine to earn their livelihood by way of doing small jobs like running mules, working in the hotels, lodges, or working as the priest.
Uttarakhand, which is the most important hill states of India, faced an unprecedented disaster during June 16th, 17th, 2013. The impact of the destruction is still being felt by the inhabitants of this area. This disaster started with a cloudburst and flash floods aggravated by heavy rainfall in the upper reaches of Himalayas on 16 and 17 June 2013. Heavy losses were caused by extensive flooding and land erosion in the Mandakini, Alaknanda, Bhagirathi and other river basins. The 5 districts of Uttarakhand, namely Bageshwar, Chamoli, Pithoragarh, Rudraprayag and Uttarkashi, were badly affected by this natural calamity. The famous environmentalist and disaster expert Sri Chandi Prasad Bhatt had cautioned Mrs. Indira Gandhi, the then Prime Minister of India, about the future disasters which would occur in this region due to the environmental degradation and callous attitude of the people.
इस बाढ़ के बारे में हमने 1982 में इंदिरा जी को पत्र लिख दिया था कि आपका जो ये प्रोजेक्ट बनना है, खीरगंगा की स्थिति है, और हेमवती नंदन जी ने 2 पेज का पत्र इंदिरा जी को लिखा था। उसके बाद जैसे विष्णुप्रयाग परियोजना कई वर्षों तक बंद रही।
Another famous environmentalist of this region, Sri Sundar Lal Bahuguna, sees a connection between the disaster of 2013 and the destruction of the forest as well as the construction of the big hydroelectric dams in the fragile area.
हिमालय का जो लैंडस्केप है ना, उसको बदलना पड़ेगा। हम अंग्रेज व्यापारी थे, उन्होंने यहाँ चीड़ लगा दिया सब जगह। चीड़ की लकड़ी को बाहर कर नीचे ले जाते थे। अब चीड़ में पानी को और मिट्टी को रोकने की शक्ति नहीं होती है। और विस्फोट न हो, कम से कम मोटर सड़कें बने, कम से कम घाटी से लेकर चोटी तक जाने के लिए रोपवे जो।
This disaster created immense problems for children, pregnant and lactating mothers and aged people in the 74 villages. They were totally cut off from the mainstream in Rudraprayag districts, Ukhimat, Jakholi and Agasthyamuni blocks. The lack of information about the grave situation at Kedarnath and underestimation of seriousness of situation, not taking the weather advisory seriously and not warning the pilgrims about the adverse weather conditions beforehand led to a colossal loss of men and material. About 650 people were reported missing. 1,073 livestock were lost, 1,234 houses damaged, 206.612 hectares agricultural land was washed away, 86 schools were damaged fully or partially in the potentially high-risk zones. In Agasthyamuni, the main town of Mandakini Valley, our survey team came to know about the conditions of schools after the disaster and how the school facilities were given to the children in tents.
2013 में जब यहाँ आपदा आई थी, स्कूल था हमारा वहाँ नीचे नदी से ऊपर किनारे। तो जब वहाँ बाढ़ आई तो उसके बाद हमें टेंट में चल रहा है।
13 में जो ये आपदा आई थी, 16 और 17 तारीख पूरी केदार घाटी में जितने विद्यालय गए हैं, संभवतः यह पहला विद्यालय है जिस विद्यालय की सबसे दयनीय स्थिति है। इस विद्यालय में मंदाकिनी के दाएं और बाएं दोनों साइड से बच्चे आते थे। मंदाकिनी नदी पे जो लोहे का विशाल पुल बना हुआ था वो भी बह गया था। इस चुनौती को देखते हुए और इसको स्वीकार करते हुए हमने जो है नदी के दोनों साइड जहां हमारा विद्यालय चल रहा था वहां पे भी हमने टेंट से विद्यालय शुरू किया और नदी के पल्ली पार भी जो है हमने जो है टेंट पे विद्यालय शुरू किया और शुरू करने के लिए एक छोटे से मकान की छत से हमने शुरू किया।
The government of Uttarakhand conducted emergency relief and evacuation operations with the support of the Indian Army, Indian Air Force, Indo-Tibetan Border Police, Police Forces, National Disaster Response Force and many other units. In the Kedar Valley, the rescue operations were conducted through 40 helicopters round the clock as roads were washed away and people were stranded at the higher mountains. The district administration of Rudraprayag worked on providing civil supplies, food, water, clothing, blankets, fuel, etc. to the pilgrims as well as the villagers whose access points, roads, bridges, riddle trek routes had been washed away. As most of the local inhabitants of Mandakini and Upper Kedar Valley had been earning their livelihood through the various activities associated with the Kedarnath Yatra, which was totally stopped due to the disaster. Therefore, the generation of livelihood has become one of the concern in the aftermath of the disaster.
घोड़ा चाह खच्चर चाह दुकान से कुछ नहीं मिलता सुने तो जाऊँ जा कुछ नहीं मिलता था दुनिया सोगने को कुछ नहीं रहे हम तक कुछ नहीं मिले चाहे भी सुनता काहे नहीं मिले कुछ नहीं मिले।
The situation of these families dependent on the Kedarnath Yatra is not hidden from anyone. With the loss of the male members in the age group of 14 to 65 years, the families have lost the source of earning also. Devli Bhanigram is one of the villages worst affected by this disaster, as many young and able-bodied males lost their lives in the flood.
जो आगरा है से तो सब पार में गैस दे छाकरा जो इस तरह सब की जो तो मका जाड़ी भी सी भी हम लोग भी हमारे भी दाना ताकि जो सब चौपाट हुई।
In this village, the disaster has not only snatched away their husbands or male members but also the peace and happiness and emotional support. The women who have lost their husbands are facing various challenges.
क्या नुकसान हुए परिवार में?
नुकसान तो लड़का जाइयो छ त
क्या कर छो लड़का?
पूरे स्कूल पढ़ियो छ देखो जाइयो छ
क्या कर छो रोजगार के छो?
रोजगार दुकान में छ एक और बेचता।
अब क्या हुए छो ता दिन?
हम जाने नहीं था नहीं तो कुतना बर्बाद हुए थे हम पता जाने कि घर और लोग के कौन से करते कोई।
They have not only to look after the family, children, old aged members, deal with the economic problems, psychosocial problems and loneliness but also to worry about the future. If they leave the village and shift to some urban areas for the education of their children, they are considered selfish as they have left their old in-laws in lurch. If they stay with the in-laws, then they trouble them for the share in the compensation.
15-16 साल छ
हाँ
झुटुमा छु जै दादा को गर्छु रोजगार त कुछ नहीं क्या यो लोडी छ 16-17 साल त्यहीका बाद इलाज कहाँ जाइए ना देहरादून जाइए श्रीनगर
जंगलमा छु त हम त दुकानमा छाम पहिला त बर्खा लगी त तपुन हदु ढुंगा तपुन माटो है तपुन पानी है हदु त तेवा हम दुकान बंद करी त मथी जे बन तक हम यो रात खिरेन त वडा का छ तू जड़ी रे मी तक तेवा सुबेरे हम बेडी मुझे यो घास तमु जे हम तम बैठे तेवा तमु यो लो एन तमु यो ने पाए तब सी हम त गुगी मालिक रा गोरी कुंड हम गोरी कुंड तक जेन.
For parents also, it is a difficult situation as they have to bear the loss of their young children and they consider themselves unfortunate.
नुकसान मेरे बालक को गई बिहे में पर्छ
क्या कर छो त?
गोड़ चला अब गरीब सास तो मैंने ते बाद 10 सारी में घर 15-16 तारिक तो
आप कौन छ
मैं भी तैयार हूँ
अच्छा आप घर हैं जी
तो मैं जान सकता हूँ 14 तारिक तो तब बार ले तब नहीं हुए छंद नहीं तब मैं सही जे 16-17 तारिक में जब पहुँचे लोग सब लोग वहाँ थे तो हम अपने आदमी जाने अब नहीं हुआ फिर हम उठ ही नहीं सके मोदी जी के पागे जाए नाजर जिन एक सुदिन था सोलर सुबह को होने
हम बोली सब उन्हें बोल के उड़ा से हमें तनी रही बना 10-12 दिन हुए छाओ हम रोटी भी करके खाना सब खाना उड़ा भी नहीं खाई तो हम बोल फोन बना से सीना याक्शन यहाँ ताक्शन यहाँ तो हम बोल उड़ा वाला तो लास्ट में तब
For the young widows, this situation has presented different challenges because they have lost their husbands who were associated with the Kedarnath pilgrimage as laborers, lodge owners, cooks or priests. They were the only source of cash income. Many women were pregnant during this disaster and some of them were newly married also. We came to know about the typicality of the problem while talking to Veena Devi, a young widow. She lost her husband in the floods in Kedarnath Valley. Her husband was a priest in Kedarnath temple and the only source of income for the entire family.
हम चाहते हैं कि सरकार ने जो भी मदद की है वो तो ठीक है, लेकिन इसके साथ साथ अगर हमें गवर्नमेंट जॉब मिल जाए तो हम अपने बच्चों का भविष्य बना सकते हैं, आगे अपने बच्चों को पढ़ा सकते हैं। और हम ये नहीं कहते कि हमें कोई बड़ी नौकरी दीजिए, हमारी योग्यता के अनुसार, हमारी शैक्षिक योग्यता के अनुसार आप हमें कुछ ना कुछ गवर्नमेंट जॉब जरूर दीजिएगा जिससे हम अपने बच्चों का भविष्य बना सकें।
She was living with her father-in-law, but after she got a compensation of ₹7 lakh from state government in lieu of her husband's death, her relationship with her father-in-law have become strained because he wants a share in the compensation amount. In the other villages also, such situations was witnessed. In Kotma village also, Rita Devi got a compensation of ₹7 lakh from the government in lieu of her husband. But Rita Devi, ignoring the problems of her in-laws, chose to remarry.
वो लड़के दार मरेगी बुआरे साहब गौनी पाती रुपया पैसा मिल जरो तो भी फुल लेगी आइए लोड से मैं तड़ी हम बुढ़िया देम जा
18 साल 18 साल लड़का छोड़ हंसियों को लड़का छोड़ अब 3 लड़की थी यह लड़की शादी हुई 2 छिनाड़ी ये अभी 12 मार्च कुछ नहीं रोजगार हो सालन ताकत मिले।
The people of Panch village of the upper Kedar valley also were dependent on the Kedarnath pilgrimage, but after the disaster, their condition has become pathetic.
तो बहुत ज़्यादा होने के लिए कि हम भी यो सामाजिक कार्यकर्ता छे ना हम गुंगो में जाना रहो ना जब गुंगो में देखता न कि मतलब कि गुंग की स्थिति कैसा हो गुंग वाला बहुत दुखी छे ना आज हम पेंच गुमा छे ना यहाँ तो हम देखना छे यहाँ के मतलब यूँ की स्थिति कम रहे छे
दुई लड़की छे नि यो की माँ छे ना यो का पिता केदारनाथ ढूंढो पड़े तो खत्म हुए अब यो का सामने ये समस्या छे कि अभी तो बच्चे छोटे छे रोजगार कोई साधन नहीं छे धीरे धीरे लड़के बड़े वाले पढ़ाने लिखाने भी आने छे माँ जी थोड़ा सी कमाने लेकिन तैसे तथा से रोजगार नहीं चल रहा।
The similar condition is being faced by the people of Kukhimar, Pathali, Dungar, Semla, Lamgondi, Sirsu, Badasu, Devshal, Sili and Vijayanagar. After the disaster, the women in many areas are forced to walk 2 to 5 kilometers to collect fodder, grass and water because many bridges over the river have been destroyed and pathways to approach the nearby forest have been changed. In some places like Kalimat and Vijayanagar, as the bridges have been damaged, therefore, to access the forest, the women are forced to use very risky trolleys with a load of grass or wood to cross the river. The increased distance has also increased the workload on women and affected their health and well-being. However, in such situations also, there are women like Kamla Devi who provide a hope for a good future.
भगवान की कृपा से, मधुमेश्वर बाबा की कृपा से, केदारनाथ बाबा की कृपा से हम आज फिर सब शोषण अब हम भगवान का शोषण करना कि भगवान जो भी छन से खुशी रहना।
भगवान केदारनाथ जी उन्हें हिम्मत दे रहे हैं, साहस दे रहे हैं और अपने चरणों में बुला रहे हैं। और मैं भारतवर्ष के सभी जनमानस से यह प्रार्थना करूंगा कि आप भगवान केदारनाथ जी के दर्शन अवश्य करें।
We know that this is our daily work, and without completing it, our families and cattle cannot survive. We often go in groups for collecting grass, fodder, wood fuel and water. Whenever we feel stress or sadness, we sing a song in our language and remember our old happy days. We talk about our regional gods and goddesses and their miracles. We believe that these gods are with us who give us tremendous strength to deal with daily life hassles and other problems. Although women of hill areas are always placed in the lower pedestal of power structure of the family and society, but it is evident that despite the constraints, women of this area have strong willpower, capacity and tolerance to even survive under pressure. Due to this capacity, they have been given the title of Matra Shakti. They live in the villages and take care of the household, animals and the agriculture. The dual role of the nurturers, caregivers and producers not only increase their workload, affects their well-being but also increases their vulnerabilities. Therefore, after this disaster, it is being felt that if women are given training for rescue and disaster management, they can play a very effective role in the period of crisis. As women are mainly responsible for agriculture in the hills, therefore, they also need to be provided latest information about the new techniques of the agriculture to make it productive.
हमारे पास उस क्षेत्र में मेडिसिनल प्लांट कल्टीवेशन की भी अपार संभावनाएं हैं, क्योंकि वो क्षेत्र हाई एल्टीट्यूड एरियाज में आता है और वहाँ पे हाई वैल्यू लो वॉल्यूम मेडिसिनल एंड एरोमेटिक प्लांट कल्टीवेशन को बृहद रूप से लिया जा सकता है। उस पे कई इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑलरेडी काम कर रहे हैं और उनको उस जगह पे कुछ सफलता भी मिली है।
The women also need to be provided training for self-employment or livelihood generation. Actually, in the aftermath of the disaster, many NGOs have been assisting the women in the income generating schemes.
मेरे साथ यहाँ पे 25 महिलाएं जुड़ी हुई हैं जो 2 शिफ्टों में काम करती हैं, 12 सुबह शिफ्ट में और 13 शाम के शिफ्ट में। मैं यहाँ पे ये इनका आना जाना ये सारी मेरी जिम्मेवारी है, टाइम पे आना टाइम पे जाना, यहाँ पे ऊन की व्यवस्था करना, चारकों के कोई कमी है उसकी सूचना वहाँ ऑफिस में देना, कोऑर्डिनेटर को देना, यहाँ पे ये सब मैं करती हूँ।
Some are providing necessary training to the women in weaving of garment and others for tailoring, but the number of NGOs is still less and there is a need for more intervention in this direction so that women may confront the difficulties and challenges in the aftermath of the disaster and live a peaceful and happy life for which they are entitled. Women want their free time utilized in some training for livelihood generation, as it would be very helpful for them, and this would also allow them to earn something while living in the villages only. The initiatives of the NGOs in the disaster affected areas are providing a ray of hope to the people suffering from social, economic and psychological problems. The government, by supporting such activities, also needs to solve the basic problems of the people in the areas of health, education, water, roads, employment, etc., and seriously work for the development of these areas.